everyone, it's Melody. I am here with a BTS haul. I'm actually really excited about this one. This is from the Artist Made collection by BTS. Each member created and released merchandise for fans made by them, and this is actually the Jin collection. So Jin made 2 pajamas and 2 pillows, and I've got 3 out of the 4 pieces here. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. If you happen to like BTS hauls or BTS unboxing videos or BTS content in general, definitely give this video a thumbs up. It just lets me know that you want to see a little bit more of this sort of thing on my YouTube channel here. If you guys want to see more from me in general, you can always hit subscribe as well. I've also got my Instagram listed down below as well. That Instagram is actually like a collector BTS related Instagram, so go ahead and check it out if you are interested. So let's go ahead and get started with this big piece right here. I have already opened up a few things and kind of set everything up so that this haul video wouldn't be too long and too drawn out. Let's go ahead and show you the drawstring bag first. So it says Artist Made Collection by BTS, and then it has the members writing there depending on which members merchandise you picked. And then it does have the BTS logo, and then it does come with the tag here with all of the logos, all of the detail. It's actually a really nice drawstring bag. It kind of makes it feel very luxury, high quality. If you happen to catch the tag on there, you will know that this is actually the pillow. When I first got this pillow, it was basically just the memory foam pillow, and then the case actually came in a separate plastic packaging, nicely folded up with the card in it as well. But I've already taken it out and I've put it together just so we can kind of see how it is. So if you watched Jin's making log video, you will know that he wanted a memory cushion pillow and that he wanted it to be this sort of shape, which is very typical for these memory sort of pillows, to have this sort of cervical curvature to it. So very, very nice. It's just a nice navy blue. But the nice part is, dun 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 dun, I got the Good Day pillow because I just thought the angel was so cute. So there's just this one patch right here that is obviously embroidered and sewed on, and then it does have a zipper closure here, and that makes it easy to take this on and off so that you can wash it very easily. Very, very soft material as well. I can't wait to start using this. I like these memory foam pillows that have this sort of design to it. It helps me a lot more than regular pillows do. And then you get the envelope. It does have Jin written on it. And then inside, you get the making log as well as the photo card. So this is what the photo card looks like. It's almost like a Polaroid-esque photo card. Jin is holding both of his pillows. And then on the back, it does say Good Day, Bad Day Pillow by Jin. And these already came in these sleeves. Love that. They are pretty thin, as you can kind of see. They are not the thickest of photo cards. Let's quickly look at the making log. I do think that the making log is very, very nicely done. At first, I didn't really know if it was necessary, but I really like the making logs. It tells you the product by Jin, and then it is an accordion style. It kind of just shows you the time, the chronology of how long everything took and when they did stuff. Product planning Jin, and then his drawing that we actually recognize from the making log, design review, and then just more details like that, final review, and then another photo of him with the item. But there's the making log. I bought this pillow from Weverse Global. I am located in the US, if I didn't say so earlier, and I don't think I did. So to go ahead and match with the Good Day pillow, obviously I got the Good Day pajamas. Now, out of all of the members' collections, everything that was released merchandise-wise, this is the one item that was on my high priority list. Like, this is probably my #1 most wanted item, because after I saw Jin wearing these pajamas for the first time, I was scouring the internet to figure out where they were from. Me and my friend were looking forever, and we just kind of chalked it up to, it was either like a sample or like something he bought just somewhere very obscure, or it was a release from Tiny Tan that we just never caught. I had no idea, and I couldn't find anything from K-Army or International Army about it. And obviously we know why, because it's part of this collection. Here it is. Obviously comes in the same dust bag. Here are the pajamas though. Oh my gosh, these are my absolute favorites. I love these so much. So I haven't actually unfolded this set yet or like tried it on or anything, so I'm pretty stoked about it. This is exactly how it came. It came nice and folded. I bought mine in a size medium. I'm gonna have a try on at the end, just kind of show you how it fits on me. Spoiler alert, I actually bought a set in large as well during the second pre-order. So I'm gonna have 2 sets. I just really wanted a second set of these because I just love these pajamas so much. Let's go ahead and look at it. So here is the little angel that was designed to look just like Jin, very Tiny Tan-esque. I'm glad that he chose the smaller print when he was doing his product review and everything. The tag here, size M, made in Vietnam. It is 100% cotton, so there's no stretch to this at all. I'm typically a size small, so I thought a size medium would be fine, and it fits perfectly, but I wanted to see how the large would fit too, so I got my second set in a large. Maybe I'll do a comparison video in the future when those arrive, but for now we've got the mediums here. There's a little bit of tissue paper. It's beautiful. This blue is stunning. It looks exactly like the one Jin wore, obviously, in the soup and in various other video clips. It has white piping detail, as you can see. It does have a collar, but it has a nice open like V neck. It has buttons here, and they aren't too small. It does come with the extra button here on the tag inside. So you do have a bonus button in case yours flies off. And then here are the pants. The pants are just an elastic waistband. They don't have like a tie or anything like that. They're just fully elastic. It does have one butt pocket and it's functional, but it does also have side pockets and they are nice and deep. I mean, I can put my whole hand in there. A phone will definitely fit in there. I'm gonna go ahead and try that on later. Before I show you what is in the envelope, let me go ahead and show you guys the Bad Day version as well. The Bad Day version I actually already tried on because I wanted to try a pair on just to see how the sizing was. I was really worried about the sizing actually. Here is the Bad Day version. Very, very cute. As you can see, a nice clean black, but not too dark like Jin had mentioned. I like the white piping detail that is similar to the Good Day set. We've got black buttons this time. We do have this front pocket here. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier. And here are the pants. The material is really such high quality, like it's just a nice 100% cotton sort of pajamas. I'm so excited, and just to compare the two prints, I do think that they still went a little bit bigger on the Bad Day print for the devil versus the Good Day print for the angel. Honestly, my favorite piece is from the Artist Made collection. I just think Jin's collection was absolutely perfect. I love it. All right, let's go ahead and look at the card and the envelope and everything that came in with the pajamas. So here we go. Making log and the photo card. Let's look at the photo card first. He's holding both sets of pajamas. And then there is the back. And this one says Good Day, Bad Day Pajama by Jin. Love it. Here is the making log for the pajamas. So cool. I think these making log things are just so much neater than I originally gave them credit. Again, the accordion style. I love that they included his little drawing. There is the prototype of the design, the sample review, final review. I love that he asked for the sample and she was like, okay. And then there he is with his finished piece. Hopefully you were able to pick up a pair of these pajamas either during the first pre-order or the second pre-order. I got mine during the first pre-order. I was very, very fortunate that I was able to check out. I got mine on Global Weavers as well. And again, I am located in the US. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and do a try-on portion. Let me try these bad boys on so you can see how they look on an actual body. All right, this is not the best setup, so please forgive me, but I just wanted to show you how this looked full body on an actual person. Just for frame of reference, I am 5'5". I am typically a size small in tops and bottoms, typically like a size 4 US in bottoms anyways. I am a little bit top heavier. I've got a bigger bust line and I have broad shoulders. I'm like kind of like an inverted triangle shape is what I always say. But here are the pajamas on me. This is again the Bad Day set. Full pocket, full hand in there. This is how it looks close up on the top. Again, you've got that little pocket up here. I do like that the torso portion is really nice and long. I do like that it is roomy and comfy in the medium. Side view, very nice deep pockets like I said. Lengthwise, the pajamas definitely hit me at my ankles or right below them anyway, so they are a good length. I do think that the measurement, the size guide is pretty accurate. All right, but here is the bad day set. What do you guys think? Super cute, right? Let's try on the good day set. All right, and here is the good day set. Now, this is my first time trying on the good day set, and I swear it's a little bit bigger than the bad day set. What the heck? It definitely feels roomier everywhere. Like, the pants feel roomier, the top feels roomier, and they're both a size medium, so I'm just a little bit perplexed right now as far as why that is. Like, I don't know if you can actually even tell, but the pants are definitely roomier for sure, and so is the top. So now I'm a little bit curious about what the heck happened in production, but having said all that, absolutely love it. This is my #1 favorite item for sure, I think, that I picked up from the Artist Made collection. I love Jin's pajamas. I love them so much, you guys. Once they get a good wash, they will definitely be a little bit more, they won't be as stiff. As you can tell, it's quite stiff because it just came out of the packaging. That is so lovely. I really think this white piping detail really helps with the overall just like luxury look to it as well. That definitely gives off those really nice pajama vibes. And obviously the piping detail down below as well. Here's the side view. Really nice pockets. You guys, these are Jin's pajamas. I'm so happy. So again, this is how it looks on me. The pajamas came in a medium, a large, and a XXL. Here are the Good Day pajamas, my #1 favorite item. Love these. All right, everyone, and that is it for this unboxing of Jin's collection. We had both pajamas as well as one of the pillows. So happy about this collection. So very thankful that I was able to pick up everything that I wanted, and I'm really excited about the other sizes that are coming as well. I'm just excited to have backups, because if these ever got ruined, I will be devastated. So I'm just really excited that I was able to pick up these pieces from this merch drop. Please let me know down below if you picked up anything from the recent BTS Artist Made merch drop. I would love to know what you picked up. I'm actually gonna have quite a few videos like this up because I picked up quite a few items from the Artist Made collection, and I'm really excited to share with you guys what I got. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day, wonderful week, wherever you might be. I will talk to you guys later.